Panthers. We are ready for some math time. Today we're going to work with the number 5. So I thought we would warm up with a book. And this book is called Pancakes for All. That is our title. Pancakes for All. The author is George Sanchez, so he wrote the story. The illustrator is Molly Delaney, so she drew the pictures. Look at that big stack of pancakes. Pancakes for all. Mama is making pancakes. All right, how many pancakes is she making? I see one on the griddle and it looks like she's making another one. Here come Mama's kittens. The pancakes smell so good. All right, how many kittens do you all see? I see 1, 2. This one is licking his lips. He's ready for some pancakes. Here comes another kitten. He wants one too. So how many kittens want pancakes now, boys and girls? Count them. 1, 2, 3. Mama tells them to set the table. So if there are 3 kittens, how many plates do you think they'll need? They'll need 3, one for each kitten. 1, 2, 3. And then another one for Mama if she's eating too. The kittens are all ready. Mama is ready too. How many pancakes did she make, boys and girls? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There they are eating the pancakes. All the kittens are full. Mama is full too. Who will eat the last pancake? So each one of them has a pancake. There's one left. What do you see? I see another kitten looking around the corner. You think that kitten's gonna eat the pancake? All right, so at the back they just had some questions that we can answer, but we answered most of those as we were going through reading. Each kitten got a pancake plus Mama. There's one left, but there is one kitten peeking around the corner, so that kitten will probably eat the last pancake. All right, so there were 5 pancakes in our story, and we are working with the number 5. So I will go over directions, and then when I'm finished, you can get your worksheet out and work on it too. All right, we went to just the next sheet in our workbook. Down at the bottom, there's a little number, P, and then the number 15 if you need to find it, but it should just be the first empty paper in your packet. So we are going to find different ways to make the number 5 today. Now, I've got some counters, but my counters are going to look different than yours. Mine are red and yellow, and they are circles. Some of you got some circles, and I think some of you got some squares. And they were some different colors too. So don't worry about if yours match mine. You're just going to use your own counters. So I got out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters. And I'm going to make some problems with these. So I'm going to use my first set just the way they turned over. And if you can see mine, I've got 1, 2, 3 yellow ones, and 2 of them are red. So that's what I'm going to color on my 5 frame, and those are the numbers I'm going to write. If you want to make your counters be 3 of one color and 2 of the other, you can. Some of yours were green and black, and I'm not sure what the other ones. See, some of you may have gotten some red ones too. But I'm going to make my 5 frame look like my counters. So I need to find a yellow, and I have 1, 2, 3 yellow ones. So remember, I always mark them first. I'm going to mark 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to color them. All right, and that's for my yellow ones. All right, how many yellow ones did I have? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write the number 3. Remember, we say around a tree, around a tree. All right, my last two are red. There they are. 1, 2 red ones. So I'm going to color them red. And 2 red ones. Make that counter red so I can remember when I'm checking it. All right, how many red ones did I have? 1, 2. So I'm going to write a 2. Around and back. All right, you can do that same problem I did, just using your counters and whatever colors they are. All right, now I'm going to find a different way to make 5. 3 yellow counters and 2 red counters equaled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters all together. All right, let me come up with a different way. All right, there's my counters. How many yellow ones do I have this time? Just 1. So I'm going to mark that 1 box, fill it in, and make that counter yellow. So I'll remember which ones I was using. How many yellow counters do I have? 1. So I'm just going to put a straight line down. And next I have 1, 2, 3, 4 red ones. So I'm going to mark those. 1, 2, 3, 4. That filled up my whole 5 frame because we're working with the number 5. I'm going to color that one red so I remember which one it was. 1, 2, 3, 4 red, 4 red counters. These are called counters, those little circles. I think yours were squares that we sent home. So I had 4 red ones, so I'm going to write the number 4, go down to the middle line and over, pick up your pencil, down once more. All right, so 3 yellow counters plus 2 red counters equaled 5, and 1 yellow counter plus 4 red counters equaled 5. Those are just different ways to show or make the number 5. All right, after you finish that page, you'll lift it up and turn it over, and they're just going to ask you a couple of questions to make sure you understand. All right, this first one is a little bit tricky. They said you've already got 3 counters in there. How many more would you need to fill up that 5 frame? Well, we've already got 3 filled up. There are 2 more spaces. So we would need 2 more if we wanted to fill up that 5 frame to show the number 5. Oh, this next one's super easy for you. Count and tell how many ladybugs there are. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mark your answer. Then down here at the bottom by the leaf, count and tell how many airplanes there are. So touch and count those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find your answer. Okay, boys and girls, if you were not working along with me, then you need to get your packet out now and start working on your math page.